All right, while the guys are on lunch, let me take you through everything. They just finished digging this sump pit. We're going to drop in one of our sump pit basins. They're mining, and they're going to drive a pipe through here underneath this retaining wall so that we can run the discharge line out to the front. The backyard here is shaped like a bowl. And we're in Rochester Hills, Michigan. It lives up to the name. This home is built into a side of a hill, and it's absolutely beautiful back here. All the water, all the sheet water that comes off of this area here, and then all the sheet water comes off this pool deck, ends up against this house. Well, the homeowner, they're new as far as to this home and getting comfortable with it and taking care of a few things. So somebody prior to them hired a contractor that drilled a bunch of holes into this basin and then took Rubbermaid. If your basin has the name Rubbermaid on it, it is a trash can and not a basin. So they took a trash can, cut the bottom off, filled it full of stone, and set that inside it. Well, if it was only that easy, we wouldn't be here. So, as we always talk about, dry wells can only handle a certain amount of water. They become overwhelmed really quick. The kind of water they're experiencing back here, a dry well is not going to be the answer. It'd take a really, really big dry well. We pulled all the flagstone up, set it on some fabric. Doesn't always go back together the way it came apart. Now, there's evidence in this trench that the men dug today. This is all handwork. Can't get any machines back here. What we find always tells us that the previous homeowner was struggling with water too. Just by the membrane that's on this home, there's a piece of the cheap pipe, and it's like literally a drain to nowhere. It's got an end cap on it. I don't know. We see this a lot. I don't know how these guys figure this stuff's going to work. So we're going to tunnel underneath the concrete there, just like we did there. And we're going to put two, we want to use the high octane here. We're going to put two pipes in this trench. We're going to run the high octane to this basin that the guys are dropping in. And we're going to have a half horse Liberty moving the water uphill out to the front yard. And remember, if it says Rubbermaid, it's more than likely a trash can and not a sump pump basin. All right, guys, until the next video.